Hi everybody, it's Leanne from Cherry Lane. So I wanted to do a flip through of the Simple Stories So Happy Together snap binder album because photos are flat and they don't tell you what's all inside because there's a lot of goodness inside of there. So I wanted to show you, and we were going to do this as a class, but not anymore. So as the current situation. So hang on a sec, and I'm going to flip you around, and we'll do a not too long flip through. One sec. Okay, we're back. I found a helper to hold my camera. Okay, so this is a 6x8, and it's using the Simple Stories So Happy Together line, which is really lovely for family-themed things. So here we go. Flip it through. So there's your inside. So it's a nice chipboard album. It comes with everything that we're going to show you, and I think there was some leftovers at the end. So lots of pages. These pull in and out. Lots of photo spots. So it comes with these plastic pockets so that you can put photos in. You could of course put another photo there if you want. So all these white spots are going to be photo spots, and you can add more in if you like. So what does that say? Home. I'm upside down. Home is
where my family is.
Thank you, camera holder. Love grows here. This is really nice. We use this in our page club as well, and I really love the pages. Welcome home. So blessed. So this doesn't literally have to be, photos in your house. It could be around your house. It could just be your family in general. Maybe out doing things. But we're at home a lot. So home sweet home. And family is forever. It's nice. Home, love, the love of family never ends.
That part flips open.
Oh, that flips open. Look at that. You could do this all throughout the book. Family where life begins and love never ends. It's really nice. Memories are made. Grandparents are special. Generations of love. I'm doing pretty good for someone who's reading upside down. My tribe. What does this say? Home is where the heart is. That's nice. Anyway, as I was saying, we did one with our page club, and I quite liked it. So I have to find photos to stick on there, but that shouldn't be a problem. I'm going to let you guys read that because you're not upside down. There you go. More photo spots. Little flips. So you can move these things around wherever you want. So the kit includes the album. It includes all of the inserts, all of the papers. I think it's a 6x8 pad. You get chipboard. I think you get ephemera and stickers. Like, it is loaded. Oh, that pulls out. So you can trade any of these for more photos if you like. You can always put more journal cards if you want. These are nice. What else was I going to say? The instructions are full color, step by step. So for every page like this, there will be a photograph and then how to put it together. There's cutting instructions. There's of course room to change things up however you like. Yeah, it's nice. So you could do this. You could do this for like current family pictures. You could do it like family through the years as like a generational thing. You could do it as a gift for you, maybe a gift for grandma and grandpa, maybe your grandma and grandpa, for your grown-up children, maybe them through the years as your family. I don't know, lots of ideas. We are more than friends, we are family. That's nice. Hopefully I'm talking loud enough. I don't know, because I'm not listening to the video. I'm recording the video. So as I said, this was going to be a class, but with the current circumstances, we're not scheduling any classes right now. We're kind of have one towards the end of May. We might have to change that. So this is available as a kit. You can pick it up in the store. You can pay over the phone. We can bring it out to your car. We can ship it to your house. So lots of options. We will hold paid items forever and love them for you and not drool on them. So that's the back of them. So there is, let's see, can you see how thick that is? So it's pretty full. There might be room to add a few more things that you don't want to do too much with foam squares. So, yeah, it's pretty pretty. Oh, now you can see I'm in a sweater and I'm not dressed up for the video, maybe. I don't know. Anyway, so if you would like one of these, give us a call, shoot us an email. You can, you can pop in person. We are limiting people in the store, but you can pop in person. We can email you an invoice. So yeah, I think I've covered all the options. I'll do that in some written words as well. So thank you for watching, and we hope everyone is well and hope to see you soon. Thanks.